Hi there. Today we will look at LeetCode problem. It's maximum total damage with a spell casting. So let first go through the problem statement. Here it is given that a magician has various spell. You are given an power of array where each element represents the damage of a spell. Like multiple spell can have the same damage value. And it is a known fact that if a magician decide to cast a spell with a damage of power of I, they cannot cast any spell with a damage of power of I minus 2, power of I minus 1, and power of I plus 1, or power of I plus 2. And each spell can be cast only once. So from here we have to return the maximum possible total damage that a magician can cast. So here, like, imagine that you have a box of candies with a different flavor, and if you eat a candy of flavor 3, you cannot eat the candies of flavor 1, 2, 4, or 5, like the flavors right next to the 3. So from here you want to eat the candies in such a way that you get the much total sweetness. So first thing that should hit after reading this problem is that, like, we want to pick the spell, or like I gave the example of the candies, so that no two picked spells or the two close are in the values. Like we can tell this is similar to the house robber problem, where we cannot rob two adjacent houses. Here we cannot pick the spell that are within the two of each other. So coming to the data structure part, so which type of data structure we will use here? Like first of all, we will make use of the hash map to count the total damage of the each unique spell power. Then we sort the power and use the dynamic programming to decide for the each power whether to pick it or skip that thing. So coming to the main logic, like for each unique spell, for each unique spell power, we will decide, like if you pick it, you must skip the nearby power within two. Like if we skip it, you keep the best answer so far. So now let's coming to the code part. First of all, count the total damage for each unique spell power. So we will make use of the map first. Map integer and long count equal to new hash map. Then we will make use of one for loop for int p in power count plus put p and count dot uh, get or default, like plus p. uh, then like after this, like we will sort the unique spell power. So uh, here we will sort the unique spell power integer. Let's give its name as keys equal to new array list. count dot key set. Okay, collections dot, we will sort it the keys. uh, After that, now we will make use of two variable like previous two, like the best answer two step back, and the previous one we will it will be the best answer one step back. So long previous two equal to 0, and previous one equal to 0. Okay, so this like previous two is the best answer two step back, and this previous one is our best answer one step back. And after that we'll make int last equal to integer dot mean value, integer dot mean value. Okay, after that, like if we here we will use one for loop to iterate in the key for k in keys. Long current, and like here if the current power is close to the last peak, we will choose the maximum of picking or skipping. So like uh, if this k to last plus 1 or last plus 2, previous one plus, no, if k equal to from like, so our from here the current will be math dot max of previous one and previous two count dot get of 2, and otherwise in else part current equal to previous, like we will it's safe to pick the current power, so here it is safe to pick the current power count plus get of key, and here it will be previous of 2 previous of 1, just we will swap those two, previous of 1 equal to current and last equal to k. From here we will return the previous. From here we will return previous of 1. Okay, so now let's run this. For k, where is the problem? I think okay, like yeah, int last equal to integer dot. Oh, this is wrong. Value dot it. Okay, now let's run and see. Int last equal to integer dot min. Int last equal to integer dot min value. Let's find the problem. Okay, this one is, I think, yeah. Now let's run and see. Current equal to max, where like hmm, here we are making something wrong. Yeah, now I think it should run. Mm, Current equal to math dot max previous of 1. Okay, previous of 2, previous of 1, previous of 2. 1 second, I need to like replace the entire code and then try. Yeah, now like it has passed all the test cases. Like there was some problem, like I debugged and like I fixed fixed it. Like